Good morning, good morning. We are moving right along with our Sanibel mile marker series, where we highlight the beach mile markers from 0 to 7 in half-mile increments. In this section, we will be viewing mile markers 4.5 to 5 and the wonderful accommodations that lay between. The resorts in this stretch all sit along West Gulf Drive. Let's start at mile marker 4.5. that sits just to the side of Tarpon Bay Beach boardwalk. You can park at the Trost Parking lot, which sits 1/10 of a mile down Tarpon Bay Road to access this boardwalk. Travelling to the west, we find Pine Cove of Sanibel. This great 16-unit complex has 2 and 3 bedroom condos. There is a heated pool, jacuzzi, a tiki hut, and barbecue grills. Next in line is the superb Sedgemoor of Sanibel. There are 12 3-bedroom units spread over 2 buildings. A large heated swimming pool sits in the front. We are going to pass by a private home and then come to By the Sea. This beautiful complex has 18 units in 3 low-rise buildings. Amenities include a pool and a tennis court. The next fantastic condo complex is called La Playa. There are 6 privately owned 3-bedroom units with a tennis court and swimming pool. After La Playa is Angler's Quay. This intimate 3-story development has 6 units. There is a saltwater pool, hot tub and tennis courts. High Tide is the next lovely resort. There are 14 beachfront condos, a pool, a tennis court and grills. Following along is another luxurious complex with only 4 units and a heated pool. It is called Bougainvillea. Caribe Beach is the terrific resort you see next. 19 of the 26 apartments are efficiencies. There are also 5 one-bedroom apartments, a 1-bedroom and a 2-bedroom cottage. Amenities include a swimming pool and jacuzzi. Coming into view next is King's Crown. This magnificent place has 54 units in 2 3-story buildings. Amenities include a pool, tennis courts and barbecue grills. The sensational Sandpoint is next in line. This 2-building complex has 45 2-bedroom units. There is a heated swimming pool and a small lake. And here we find ourselves at the delightful Nutmeg Village. This 3-story complex contains 45 units. There is a swimming pool, hot tub, tennis courts and shuffleboard. The old Florida-style Shalimar Cottages and Motel is next. In addition to a heated swimming pool and gas grills, there are 20 motel efficiencies, 11 one-bedroom cottages and 2 2-bedroom apartments. Last one in line is the outstanding Sandpiper West. This 3-story building has 6 2-bedroom, 2-bath condominiums. There is a swimming pool, private cabana, and tennis court. And here we are at mile marker 5 that sits beachfront of Sandpiper West. What a diverse selection of accommodations sit along this beautiful stretch of beach. Pick the perfect one to fit your vacation needs. My name is Nick Adams. Come and join me on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content, please like and subscribe to the channel and be sure to click on that bell icon to be notified of new releases. Thanks again. See you on the next one.